So guys, you guys see it's a winter wonderland out here. They were calling for 8 to 10 or 10 to 12 is what the Apple weather app said, but you can never believe the Apple weather app because they always be lying or inaccurate. But we gotta get them out. We got some driveways to go plow, and we got this parking lot. Gonna be using this mini skid steer, one of them Chinese ones, but I mean they're the same things as the real deals. So I figured I'd bring you guys along, show you guys how the day goes. I'm on the GoPro too, so I don't know if I really like recording on the GoPro just because iPhone is so much better quality, but we'll see how this video turns out. Hopefully the truck turns on because it's super cold. Well, it didn't turn on. Gotta freaking jump it, of course. Of course. You know things can't just go right. I don't know why this thing does not like the cold. Every time it's gone cold from it like transitioning over, I always have problems. But I'm gonna get the jump pack and let's get this started. It says the battery has 12 volts, but mother freaker won't start. Got the big boy. Got the smaller version of this too, but the smaller version takes probably, with it being on there, I can't just go in the truck and turn it on immediately. I have to let it charge a minute. This one usually starts first tee. Ooh, she cold. Mini skid. Got this driveway right here. We're about to record. This thing's about to come in handy. Slowly but surely. Still got to get used to the mini skid. I cleared the front walkway and the porch with the shovel. Just waiting for him to get what he can get, and then what he can't get, I'll go back behind him with the shovel. Alright, just finished this one up. I gotta go get salt before we can salt the driveway, but walkway's all good, driveway's good. About to strap her down, get to the next one. Got this next one, cool little single car. Maybe it might veer off a little bit, but it ain't nothing. Have to unload this thing to work. Probably won't record the process, maybe just after. I don't know yet. We got a few places to be today. Just like that, in and out. The sun will melt the rest, threw some ice down. Should be good. On to the next. I think we got this dentist office we're about to go do. It's kind of big for this, but shoot, we'll just see when we get there. All right guys, we're at this dental office here. told you before. I'm gonna try it with this mini skid. Hopefully it goes pretty smooth. I mean, yeah, it's kind of a lot for the mini skid, but it'll be able to handle it. It'll just take a little longer, but it ain't bad. There's a driveway right there, parking right here, parking right here, and parking right here. Then the walkways, and it'll be good. All right, I'll give you guys a little update. This is not ideal with the mini skid. I know that for next time, but I mean, it ain't bad. If I was actually more busy, then yeah, it'd be bad, but we got a few more driveways after this. Salt's already kicking in. It's working pretty good. Put salt at the end of the driveway too. So we got this whole area done pretty much. All right here. These are the front doors, so these are the most important. So people will be able to walk in without slipping. This little area, parking. And then got this area left. So there's parking spaces right here on both sides. And then along the fence line. But we getting there. That mini skid putting in work. I think we're working it a little too hard because it'll die every now and then, but probably about to get the shovel and start driving or shoveling that driveway out. Just want to give you guys an update. Man, finally coming into an end. Give you guys the last update. Looks pretty good from how it did this morning. We got 4 or 5 more driveways to do so far. Maybe some more if people message us. We'll just have to see. But this one took way too long with that machine. On to the next. I'll see you guys there. The city does residents dirty. All of these people's driveways are covered, so we're just coming to uncover this one. We'll be out of here. It's just this little area. All right, peeps, we're back home finally. Just dropped the trailer. It is 4:55 now. Went out about 8:30, 9 o'clock. I believe I didn't record 4 properties. 2 were for 50 a piece. 1 was for 30 and 1 was for 25. I was just trying to get them done. Been out all day. It's, I think it's like 4 degrees, but it feels like -8 or some dumb shit like that. I don't know. But yep, that's day in the life on a snow day. Showed you guys what we did. And thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned till the next video. My mowing season's starting real soon. And I think we're gonna try to record some videos of us mowing. If I'm muffled, it's because I have a face mask on, shiesty. But yeah, thanks for liking, or thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button.